Yes. Hello guys, I'm going to provide a test of my new vacuum cleaner. So in page of manufacturer says that this vacuum cleaner can work in low speed about 30 minutes and on high speed about 10 minutes. So let's check how it's going. Now we can see that our indicator doesn't blink, so it's ready to work. Now I plug off and turn on my vacuum cleaner on low speed. So let's start. So we can see our result. It's a PT result, just 3 minutes. I would like to remind that in description says that it can work on low speed about 30 minutes, so different 27 minutes. Really PT result. I ordered this vacuum cleaner on AliExpress, and I hope that the seller will find some solution for resolving my problem. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.